Yeah, he's got a fixation there at C2.
Okay.
And so, you know, like when you feel like that, and you're like, oh my god, I got a crick in my neck, help me. He's just the same.
Yeah.
He's just little.
Yeah.
So.
I mean, you could tell in a video, he tried to look this way, but it would just pull straight back. He couldn't keep it over there.
So he's probably in utero like this, so his muscles have kind of toned that way.
He came out kind of, his head was kind of transverse, so I wouldn't be surprised.
He's pretty strong for his age.
He is very strong, yes.
Pull it back on me a little, but see, he doesn't mind.
Yeah.
Good. Is a good boy. You're not bothered, are you?
He's calm. Looky there.
Hey, what's going on?
He's gonna hold up his left here.
Yeah.
Looky there. Oh, you love him. But now we can look all the way, look over here. All the way over on the other side, comfortably. Good job. Good job, sweet boy. Say thank you, Dr. Amy. Say thank you, Dr. Amy.